Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to restart phone without power button. So let's get started. So if you want to restart your phone without using your power button, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your settings. After opening up your settings, now what you have to do is just scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After tapping on accessibility, now what you have to do is just simply tap on menu. So just scroll down and here you will find this option which is accessibility menu. Just tap on it and then make sure that you have turned this option on. So just allow it and then tap on OK, and after doing that, now you have access to your accessibility menu. So now what you can do is just simply swipe up with your two fingers from the bottom of your screen, and that will open up your accessibility menu. And from here, if you want to turn off your phone, then what you can do is just simply tap on power. By tapping on power, it will turn off your device. So you can use this accessibility menu to restart your device. So I don't have a restart button, but you might have a restart button on your device. So what you can do is just simply tap on it and then restart your device. So that's it guys, this is how to restart phone without power button. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.